Next we need to choose our LEDs, so I'm going to use green for my ladder and red for my snake. Right. Now on your LEDs, what you'll notice is that there's a little, looks like a shaved side. So it's a flat side to the LED. That tells us that it's the negative side. The negative side also has a slightly shorter lead, and the positive side has a slightly longer lead. Now this is important because when we put it into our board, right, you want to make sure that your positive lead is going towards the positive side. So I bend that down so it's pointing along this wire, and this wire is the one that leads to the positive side. Negative wire, bend it down so that it's leading across to the negative side of the board. Right? And then you should just have your LED poking up through the other side. Same with your ladder. Poke it through. Now this time it's a little bit more difficult because this one leads to our negative side, so we make sure that one's going that way. This line here is our positive one. So we need to put that so it connects up with this one. Because what happens, as you can see, if we take it from down here, this will be the negative side of our battery. That goes up, goes to the negative side of our LED, and then our LED goes to this wire. Our counter will connect to this, which will then lead to our positive side of the board. And if they're that close, what I like to do is I just like to twist them together to make it a little bit easier to solder. And it also means that you're not going to forget which one's the positive and which one's the negative. Make sure they're not touching. If these wires on the LED touch, then you're going to get a short circuit, and so the board will not work.